welcome back to my channel, guys. I know I have not been frequently available on YouTube, and if you are connected with me on Instagram, you must know the reason why. So as I have said in my previous video of 12 head figure, that I'll be showing a face illustration as well. So in today's video we'll learn about the face illustration with some simple basic steps and good examples as well, and also I'll show you one of the most used skin tone nowadays and which I used mostly. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So we'll start by making a rectangle box of measurement. The horizontal measurement will be 3 cm and the vertical one will be 5 cm. This is a 5 cm. So this is our rectangle box. Now we need to take the half of 3 cm, that will be 1.5, and half of 5 cm as well, that will be 2.5 cm, and join the marks. Then from 2.5 cm we'll mark one line or one point, that will be 0.8 mm for our nose line. So this will be our nose line. For your better understanding, you can also write at the side of it, like the first line will be our eye line, the second one will be our nose line, and later we'll see the cheekbones and ears. So for the eyes, we first need to take 3 points so that we can make an eye. 1, 2, 3. So I'll show you here an example. This will be our eye, and for our eyelid we'll start from the smallest line, which will be the smallest point, and take slightly on the upper part and slide down, and from here we'll just take 1/3 of the line, 1/3 of the horizontal line, and then join it here. This will be our eyelid, and we does not want to show our eyeballs either full or half. We just need 1/3, like you are not showing full and you are not showing half as well. It will be 1/3, and the upper part will be your upper eye. So for the nose, we'll make a panty shape figure, or you can say inverted triangle, or you can also take it as a dog nose or dog or cat nose. And for the nostrils, we'll just point here 2 dots on either side. And for the mouth, upper lip of the U should be equal to our nose tip. See, this is our nose tip, and from down we'll take a small line, we'll join this. So as you can see, everything is proportionate here. So let's go and make. Your eyelid, nose, so you can see here what I have done, the 1/3 of the eye and the eyeball. So everything is proportionate. I'll not make the nose coming from here. We'll do it with later with our pencils. And for the eyebrow, the point of the eyeball here will be your decreasing point of the eyebrow. So it will go like this. So this is your eyebrow. And next we'll go for the cheekbones. We'll take a slightly curved part here on both sides equally, and then small curve. It will come like this. Not much and not small. It should be average. So here, then join this chain, and this is our head part. And for the ears, we'll start from the point where we ended our head. It will be a three type ears. Start from like this and small curve. So this is our ear. Now I'll be highlighting it with a black pen so we can erase the pencil part. So as you can see, I have made the eye line and the highlight part. I have not taken the nose off exact. We'll just take the nostrils and we'll color the we'll show the highlight of that line as well. So this is our face structure, and now I'll show the coloring, like coloring stuff. So these are the basic 3 colors which I'll be using. For the outer outlining part, I'll be using a light shade of brown, and for highlighting the stuff, I'll be using the 137, means that will be the lighter shade of brown and skin tone. So let's start with the highlighting stuff. This will be your cheekbone, so just lightly bring here, highlight all the endings. Start like this, and then take the lighter shade of brown and just show the nose part, highlight the nose area. So this is our highlighting. And now for the skin tone, just color all the area of the face. So as you can see, we are getting our most used skin tone with all the highlighting and stuff. Next we'll go for the eyelashes. We'll just start from here. And next for the eyebrows, just make the hairs like this, then make it a little bit thicker. So this is our eyebrow, our eyelashes, and for the Lips, we'll just take a red pencil and do this, and you can also give the eyeshadow effect with the same red color. So yeah, this was our face tutorial. As you can see, face illustration, we have did the eyes, eyelashes, eyebrows, lips and all this stuff. I'm sure you must have find this tutorial helpful, and you guys can comment below what more you want to see from the illustration. And till the next video, subscribe to my channel so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Do visit my Instagram page and give me a follow, and stay in touch with me on Instagram as well. So till the next video, stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.